Hello friends, welcome back for another exciting unboxing video. For those of you that follow along the channel, I usually get sealed cases from 3000 Toys of GreenLights, and then I open them on camera almost as a way to validate my purchases if I share them with the entire internet. And the last one I did was actually just a random order from 3000 Toys. Not random in the sense of they just sent me whatever they felt like, but random in the sense that it wasn't a sealed case or whatnot. It was kind of pieces just filling in the gaps and whatnot. So with that said, I have an exciting unboxing with a recent eBay purchase of some GreenLights. So let's dig in and see what I blew my budget on this week. Okay. Oh, nice. Very nice. Let's get that. Okay, so here we are. So the first one's up is the anniversary series for the Maryland State Police. This is a 67 Ford Custom. I have this already. However, the GreenLight chassis was all wonky and it kind of sat crooked. So I've been meaning to order another one, and it finally found one from a seller on eBay who had a bunch of other stuff that I wanted. So pretty cool. I like the color scheme on this, and looks good. Hopefully the chassis is good, and we'll take it from there. Okay. Oh, we got a Nevada Highway Patrol Charger here. I like the I like this Charger casting. I think the wheels are a little too big, but overall it's a pretty sharp casting. It's got, what's that? Little side windows, little side view mirrors attached to them, which really help. The push bar on this is crooked. Cool, thanks. Okay. And yeah, other than that, it's good. Hot Pursuit is one of my favorite series to collect. And it always looks better when they throw a little license plate on there. So what's next? Another anniversary. And I actually just did an unboxing for this because this is a more recent one, but I wanted to kind of stock up or fill my ranks, if you will, of this casting. And you can kind of see it looks like there's a piece of plastic kind of just arbitrarily floating around in the pack. Oh no, it's from that. Okay, so this has been okay. Well, let's move on. All right, here's another one that I'm kind of doubling up on. This is the Mississippi Highway Safety Patrol here. And from what I gather when I was looking through this, if you look at the front fender, it has all these, they look like lightning bolts, almost like World War II fighter plane, like kill counts. And I believe this is in remembrance of one of their, of a fallen officer. I could be wrong though. Anyway, it's a sharp package. It's got the tinted windows. The push bar is on straight. And then it has these tiny little wheels, and it looks like it's almost a kind of 4x4 stance there. But other than that, it's a nice looking car. All right. Oh, what happened here? That's deja vu. It's like Groundhog's Day. It's gonna be Groundhog's Day a lot. Okay, here is another anniversary series. Is the Kansas Highway Patrol, their 75th anniversary. I think they made 10 of these cars. 2011 Crown Vics, and this the 1-to-1, the full-size car. So the tires coming off the wheel here. Great coloring. Nice throwback to their old one of their old liveries there. Got the little cherry on top. No license plate on the back. It has a square plate there, or I'm sorry, a rectangle rectangular plate, but nothing there. That would have been a missed opportunity. And then with the anniversary, they always tell you a little bit about whose anniversary it was. So, pretty cool. All right, anyway, let's move on before this is a 40-minute video that no one's gonna watch. Okay, the most recent Hot Pursuit Series 42, I think it's the most recent, is the 2021 Chevy Tahoe. This is the Houston Metro Police Department. No license plate on the back, but otherwise it's pretty well detailed. It has the side rails here, which are susceptible to braking. It's got no push bar in the front. These new Tahoes are gnarly. They are very mean looking. So pretty cool. I grabbed a few of these. That plastic's broken too. Must have been cold. Oh geez, they keep multiplying. Oh my goodness, another one. Okay. Oh, another Metro. Another Metro. Okay, here's a new one here. Okay, this is the one of the latest hobby releases. Southern Regional Police Department. It's from PA. Nice black Tahoe. It's got no front tinted windows. It's got a plate on the back, which is nice. No push bar. No lights on top. Lights in the grill. Pretty cool. I like it. And this might be the last one here. 2018 Ram. The dually crane truck for FDNY. Plastic's all broke. Good thing I open all my stuff, because I don't know what happened here, man. Anyway, it's a sharp piece here. Probably plastic chassis. Oh, the dually tires all wonky. All right. I think. Oh, that's right. I almost forgot about this. This is random. I don't know if anyone's familiar with the Road Champs 143 series. So they made all the police cars in the 143 scale here a long time ago, and I couldn't help but bite at the New Jersey State Police 96 Caprice. Pretty rudimentary. Looks like the tire's all screwy back here. Anyway, there is one final surprise, because I actually got 2 packages today, and one was from DHL. You know, I should have prepared this. Now it's Sunday too. I got mail on Sunday, which was exciting. Not only did I get DHL, but the post office dropped off this priority package, which was nice. Usually I have to wait till Monday, obviously. So this came all the way from Hong Kong or China. Japan, I'm sorry, Japan. And wow, Tomica Limited Vintage. I got a nice little container out of it. Holy cow. And if you could see it here, it's starting to take shape. It is an auction on eBay that I did not intend to win. Actually, I'm sorry, I intended to win more to kind of offset the cost of shipping. And the auctions ended in the middle of the night, and when I woke up, I only won one. So I got whacked with shipping. However, if you just saw me unbox that, I got a nice new container. Everything was triple bagged and bubble wrapped, and this is a pretty gnarly Mitsubishi GTO 2000 GSR. It is the Gallant. It's LV-N38A. So it's something I'm missing from my TLV collection. Anyway, we are just about under 10 minutes. I appreciate everybody if you stayed to the end. I wish I had some credits with outtakes for you, but I think this went pretty well. So thanks for viewing. Check out all the other unboxings that I've done. Like and subscribe, and we'll see you next time.